Okay, Article 11. Again 11.1 and 11.2 together, right? Same, because there is no difference, absolutely no difference. You have R, you have S. R as treaty. So you have, we will take ESCO. We will take ESCO. Resident. ARCO. Resident. Now we also take this ARCO as BO. Right? Because now we've seen the concept of BO. So this is a debt or a loan, and then this is the interest payment. As I mentioned in 11.1 will allocate the right to tax this interest. Will allocate the right to tax this interest to our state. And 11.2 with certain conditions, condition of BO, etc., etc., will allocate the right to tax this interest to state S. To state S. And with the conditions of BO, here the limit to tax. Here the limit to tax imposed upon the taxing right of S, that is 10% limit. Obviously, BO condition that has to be satisfied. Whatever we've discussed in BO 1-1 application in Article 11. Fine. Let us read Article 11, page number 36, I think. Yes, 36. Arvind and Rohit, is it clear till this point? Structure of Article 11 as well as the diagrams?
Yes.
Fine?
Yes, Manoj.
Please, Article 11 enter page 36. 11.1. 11.1. Interest arising. Remember when I was giving you the structure comparison of 10 and 11, I told you 11.5 was interest arising, and you have interest arising, the phrase interest arising being used in 11.1. So this interest arising will be defined in 11.5. Right? Don't worry. Interest arising, that is the source of the interest. Very simple layman term, source of the interest, source rule. Okay. So we know that the source of the interest is S. Okay. Interest, 11.1, interest arising in a contracting state S and paid to a resident ARCO of the other contracting state R may be taxed in that other state R. Again, interest arising in a contracting state S and paid to a resident ARCO of the other contracting state may be taxed in that other state R. Is this clear to everyone? No problem in this. No confusions. Arvind, Rohit, 11.1.
Yeah.
Great. 11.2. However, interest arising in a contracting state S may also be taxed in that state S according to the laws of that state S, comma, but if the beneficial owner ARCO of the interest is a resident of the other contracting state R. Again repeat. However, interest arising in a contracting state S may also be taxed in that state S according to the laws of that state S, comma, but if the beneficial owner of the interest is if the beneficial owner ARCO of the interest is a resident of the other contracting state R, comma, the tax so charged shall not exceed 10% of the gross amount of the interest. Full stop. The competent authorities of the contracting state shall by mutual agreement settle the mode of application of this limitation. Mutual agreement, remember, map all of you have done mutual agreement procedure under article 25 in TP. So they are saying that the contracting states, the competent authority, that is tax authorities of state R as well as tax authorities of state S, may by mutual agreement, shall by mutual agreement, not may, shall by mutual agreement procedure settle the mode of application of this limitation. Is 10.1, 11.1, 11.2 clear to all of you? Yes or no?
Yes, Manoj. Yes.
Right? No confusion. Let us, before going, let us read 11.3 as well. Let us read 11.3 as well. 11.3 I told you is definition. The term interest as used in this article, means income from debt claims. Income from debt claims of every kind, debt is loan, debt claims of every kind, whether or not secured by mortgage or whether or not carrying a right to participate in the debtor's profits. Secure by mortgage means they can be secured loans, they can be unsecured loans. You can have any collateral, you may not have any collateral. Collateralized loan, uncollateralized loan. Whatever might be the nature of the loan, in the income arising, the income as a return for that debt claim is your interest. The term interest as used in the article means income from debt claims of every kind, whether or not secured by mortgage and whether or not carrying a right to participate in the debtor's profits, and in particular income from government securities, government bonds, income from bonds or debentures, including premiums and prices attached to such securities, bonds or debentures. Penalty charges for late payment shall not be regarded as interest for the purpose of this article. Clear? No problem. Interest, income from the debt claims. Fairly simple, no complications. Fine. And in 11.2, just going by 11.2, however, interest arising in a contracting state may also be taxed in that state according to the laws of that state. But if the BO of the interest is a resident of the contracting state, so BO, same concept, no difference. BO, right to use the interest. So we are saying that ARCO is the BO of this interest. So it means ARCO can use this interest, ARCO can enjoy this interest, ARCO can spend this interest. And ARCO is under no legal obligation, under no contractual obligation to pass on this interest to another person. That is to say, ARCO is not an agent, ARCO is not a conduit company. Everything that we discuss in BO, everything that gets applied here, transferred. In fact, we'll go through the commentary paragraph. Those commentary paragraphs are also same. Right? Okay. So 11.1, 11.2, 11.3. I hope these three clauses are clear to everyone. Arvind and Rohit?